everyone, my name is Richie and welcome back to my channel Rich and Lux. Today I'm gonna do another unboxing. Very quite exciting indeed because this is a very sought after piece and hard to find item. So yeah, without further ado, let me unbox it. So I got this online, and if you notice, I have two boxes here. So what happened was I was browsing, as I regularly do, browsing the Louis Vuitton website. Yes, this is Louis Vuitton. And it was available. So I clicked buy, add to buy, and PayPal. So I thought it went through. And then there was a glitch, it said, in the system. So I was disappointed. And the next thing you know, I tried again. It still says add to bag. So let's see what happens. So that's why I ended up having these two boxes here. All right, let me just unbox it. So as you can see, it's fresh from the mail. I just got it yesterday. It was actually very fast. So let's both unbox these boxes and help me figure out what I'm gonna do with this. Let's see what happens. And of course, we got this and another one. And a box, another box, and whoopsie, and another one. So what do you think, guys? Why do I have two same boxes? What do you think happened? Comment down below. Pause it and comment what you think happened here. I got two identical boxes right here. So as I said earlier, these are sought after pieces. It's always not available online and it's hard to find. I'm just gonna go for it and open and see what it is. Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea? I know it's crazy. What happened to me was crazy. To think that these are sought after, hard to find pieces. I got lucky and I got two of the same thing. So I think you know what it is already. And it is, ta-da, the Toiletry Pouch 26. And also open the other one. Ta-da! So what do you think, guys? I got two. I got two of these hard to find and sought after pieces. Okay, battery soft. I reckon they actually don't do the label here on the toiletry pieces. So this one says coated fabric cowhide leather trim, man-made lining, and it says toiletry. That's the number. You are interested, I know you are. And the vachetta is still so white, of course, and it is made in Spain. I think they are usually made in Spain, these guys. Yeah, they're both made in Spain. They look good so far. Both buttery. Same thing here. The paperwork's there, stickers and label. So you might be wondering why I got two, right? So as I've said earlier, it seemed like there was a glitch in the system. So as I was adding the bag and paying for it, it went through my PayPal and everything, but it said there's a system error on the first purchase. So I said I was disappointed, and then I tried again. So went back and it still said add to bag. But anyways, I got two of the same thing. And yeah, so I want to get this because I want to turn it into a pouch. I already ordered my inserts from Samorga, and I don't know what to do with the other one. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna return it because you know, my budget, or possibly sell it and make a little bit of profit, or maybe a giveaway. What do you think, guys? I'm planning to maybe either give this away when I reach 1,000 subscribers, or I'm just gonna return it and wait till it gets to 1,000. So if you could help me out, maybe. So I'm still thinking whether to return it or keep one to sell for a little bit of profit, or just give it away when I reach 1,000 subscribers. Comment down below, what do you think? Anyways, yeah, I'm so glad I got this. Am I so lucky or what? So I actually called right away, like maybe 2 minutes after it went through, because I checked my bank, it got charged twice, and then I checked my orders online, my online orders under my account, it said 2 were ordered. So I called client services right away, and so they looked up my account and they said, the lady said, oh, I'm so sorry, but like the system won't let me cancel your order right now. So what you could do once you get it, you can just either return it to the store or send it back, or you can either just give it to your family or anybody, because she was really excited for me, because she said, she actually told me, this is always sold out and it's so hard to come by. That's what she said, and you're lucky that you got 2 at one time. So yes, guys, so this is my quick unboxing. I'm still debating on what to do with this. Maybe I'll just return it, because I don't know how long I'm gonna get to my 1,000 subscribers, because once I get there, then I'll just get a new one, depending. So maybe I'll just keep this, I don't know. So help me out with my decision. But anyways, I'm so happy I got both. But then my bank is crying right now, so I'm contemplating of just maybe returning the other one. So yeah, anyways, that's all for today. I'm gonna do more in-depth review and maybe show you how I'm gonna convert this, which a lot of you maybe already know how to, but here it is, guys. So happy. Thank you and have a good day. So please don't forget to hit that like button, share, and of course subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.